Welcome to the Medellin Living Real Estate channel. My name is Andrew, and in this video, we are walking through something that's rare in Medellin, which is an actual home. It's a house in Envigado. This house is pretty large. It's over 3,000 square feet. It's 3 bedroom, 6 baths, and it's got 3 levels. This is the first level as we walk in here. This is the first social bath, one of the 6. There's their dog. Those stairs will lead downstairs to like a basement level, and then there's a second story. This is the kitchen area. And in the back over here, you've got the laundry area and you've got the maid's quarters, which I think the maid's quarters could be maybe knocked down and make it a bigger kitchen, and maybe knock down these walls, make it all open concept. That's what I would do. Obviously, if I were buying this home, you should have enough money to do these type of remodels. Where I don't think you need to redo the entire home, but you could knock down walls, make it more spacious, etc. You've got a lot of space to work with. You've got this first balcony here overlooking this greenery over here, and there is a creek that runs back there, so that's all the noise that you hear. Make sure to stay tuned until the end because I'm going to show you exactly where this is located on the map. But yeah, this is one of my favorites because now that I have a family here in Medellin, I've got a kid. This would be the perfect type of house because you actually have a backyard. You've got a lot of space for them to run around in. You can make this basement floor kind of like a game room if you wanted to. Maybe add a gym if you wanted to. There's so much you could do here. But let's go down here. Again, this is 282 square meters, which is over 3,000 square feet. This is so what they did here is they made a bathroom here because their son, who is now an older teenager, moved down here to this basement. So it's kind of like his little apartment, which I thought was kind of interesting. It's pretty cool. He's got his own L-shaped couch. He's got his this king size bed. It's a master bedroom with a master bath, basically. He's got the entertainment system here. There's a walk-in closet over there. And then the kicker, you've got another closet over there under the stairs. And then the kicker here is that he also has his own outdoor area with a barbecue. He's got a great place to live here. But look, this yard's actually pretty big. You could have a trampoline here for the kids. You could even put a jacuzzi if you wanted to, etc. There's a lot of space to work with. But obviously, they've catered it to having their son living down here, which I think was really nice. But they're ready to move out. Like, as you can see, they've kind of outgrown this. So let's go back upstairs. We're going to go to the second floor. This was the basement level. So the annual property taxes are about $676 on this one, and the HOA fee is $293 per month. It is a private gated community, and it's pretty exclusive. Not many Colombians can afford to live here. It's usually the high or upper income level Colombians that do live in these neighborhoods. So this here, it's kind of like a little office area or den. It doesn't have a wall. It could be walled off and made as another room. This is one of the first bedrooms here. And this one does have a little balcony overlooking the community here, the gated community. As you can see, it's not a large gated community. So it is pretty private and pretty cool, tight knit, because it is Colombia. You know all your neighbors. So that's the typical kid room right there. And then this room's not being used. These are just extra beds that they have when they have guests over or whatever. But it also has access to this little balcony overlooking the community here. And we're going to turn back around and go into the other room. This is a 3-level home, as I said. Oh, this one does have the in-suite bathroom here. 3-level home. This is the second story. We saw the basement and the first level already. One of the things that I love about this is the fact that there is a pool in the community. This is not a private pool for them, but this is the community pool. But look at it. There's nobody there. That was like middle of the day, super hot. It's basically like you have your own private pool. But yeah, I love that about properties here in Colombia is that you'll see pools and they're beautiful and it's a hot day and no one's using them. So, I mean, where I live, I'm like the only one that uses it. But anyway, let's take a look at the map so that we can see where this one's located. All right, we're here at our website, MedellinLivingRealEstate.com, at the listing page. As you can see, this one's listed at $395,000 US. This will go up and down depending on the exchange rate. Obviously, the only thing that won't change is the Colombian peso amount, which is 1.5 billion. We'll see the map over here, and this is Envigado, the map of Envigado. As you can see, this is up in the hills of Envigado. It's not completely up on top of the hills up here where it's very hilly. The great thing about this location is that it's semi-flat, so you can actually walk around. Let's take a look at the map on Google Maps. All right, so here's Envigado here. As you can see, it's kind of on the border between El Poblado up here and Envigado down here. It's very easy to get to because you do have Carrera 27, which runs along over here all the way through San Lucas, and then it turns into 25B into Los Balsos. So getting to places like El Tesoro are easier because you don't have to go down to the highway, go all the way down here, and then go back up the hill to El Tesoro. Just things like that are easier. So let's take a look at the neighborhood here. As you can see, these are the homes here. This is a dead end here, so traffic is minimal and noise is minimal. Let's take a look at the ground level here, the street view. As you can see, it's not a steep hill. It's definitely walkable, but regardless, you're probably using a car most of the time as you're going down, back up the hill. I'm gonna go down this way. As you could see, look, if that lady could walk it, you could walk it. Well, she's going downhill too, so I'd probably be able to walk downhill, but I don't know if I'm walking back uphill, unless if I'm in workout mode. But yeah, as you can see, a lot of greenery. I love this area. It's very residential, very quiet, and above all, very safe. That being said, if you like this one, or maybe you're looking for something different in Medellin, we can help you. All you got to do is click the link in the description below, fill out the form, and someone on the team will get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you guys in the next video. Later.